Hello, children. Good morning and welcome to our new chapter of English grammar. Children, our new chapter is chapter number 12 am, is, are plus ing. Children, one more chapter we have done about this. It was only am, is, are, and this one is am, is, are plus ing. Now, let us see the uses of is, am, are with ing, where we will use ing. First, helping verbs. Am, is, are help other verbs. I think you all remember what are verbs. Let me remind you, verbs are doing words or action words. And so, am, is, are also verbs, and that's why they are called helping verbs. Okay, children? Now, with action words, we have to use am, is, are. That's why am, is, are called helping verbs. Now, when we use any of these with another verb, we should add ing to the second verb. It means whenever we are using am, is, are with action words or doing words, in doing words we will use ing. For example, see number 1, I. Now, with I we will use am. Okay, children? With I we will use am. In earlier chapter also we have done this. With I we use am plus eat. Eat is a verb, a doing verb. And with doing word we have used ing. So now what will be the sentence? The sentence will be I am eating an ice cream. Okay, children? Now one more example, see. She. With she or he we all know that we use is. So she is. Again we have used one action word, sleep. Okay, sleep, and with action word we have used ing. So now the sentence framing will be she is sleeping on her bed. Got it, children? So we have seen that with I we always use am, and with action word we have used ing, and with he or she we use is, and again with action word we have used ing. In this way we have completed the sentence. Now again, children, let me explain you more. Read both these sentences. First sentence is I drinking milk. The action word is drink, and in drink we have added ing. So it becomes drinking. I drinking milk. Now see the next sentence. Next sentence is I am drinking milk. Now children, have you seen the difference? So, hence we see that we have to often use am, is and are along with ing form of doing words so that the sentences make complete sense. Okay, children, with ing form of doing words, always we have to use either is, am or are to make the sentence complete. I think you all have understood. Now, one table I have given you. The table is showing the correct use of am, is, are with ing form of doing word. Let's see the table. See, first column we have used I and I with am. I am playing in the park. The sentence formation will be I am playing in the park. Now see the next column. Next column is we, you and they. And with we, you and they we use are Now the sentence formation will be, we are playing in the park, you are playing in the park, and they are playing in the park. Understood, children? Now see the third column. In the third column, we have taken a naming word. A naming word, the boy. Along with it, we have taken he, she, and again a naming word, Mayank. Now, with the boy, he, she, and a naming word Mayank, we always use is. Now here children, Mayank is a special name. With special names, with naming words, and with he and she, we use is. Now the sentence formation will be, the boy is playing in the park, he is playing in the park, she is playing in the park, and Mayank is playing in the park. So with special names, with naming words, and with he and she, we always use is. Now I think it is clear for you all. Now children, see your book page number 62. We'll see. It's given, look at these pictures. What are the people doing? Fill in the blanks and complete each doing word. Now what you have to do, you have to see the picture and complete the action words. Okay? See the first picture, the boy is eating. So the action word will be eating, eating. In the same way, see the second picture, the girl is running. So the action word will be running, running. In the same way, the third picture, the person is cooking. So the action word will be cooking, cooking. In the same way, you have to complete all the doing words. Okay, children? Now the next page, page number 65. Look at the pictures and study the sentences below. Pictures are given and a sentence is given about each picture. So read the sentence carefully. Look, the sun is rising. What action is going on? That the sun is rising. The monkey is riding a bicycle. Now in second picture, what action is going on? That the monkey is riding a bicycle. In the same way, the third picture, I am playing video games. The action is going on is playing video games. In the next, she is cleaning the refrigerator. Now what action she is doing? She is cleaning the refrigerator. And in the last picture, they are watching television. So the work which is going on is watching television. Now children, a table is also given here. See, with I, we always use am. So the sentence formation will be, I am playing. Next, with he, she, it, we use is. So the sentence will be, he is playing, or she is playing, or it is playing. Next is, with you, we, and they, we use are. So the sentence formation will be, you are playing, we are playing, and they are playing. Now we'll do the exercises. Question number A. Draw lines to match the pictures. One has been done for you. See children, one side sentence is given and another side picture is given. You have to match each picture with the sentences related to it. First is done. He is reading a newspaper. Now see where a person is reading newspaper. So you have to match. In the same way I have done, do it carefully children. Next question number B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using is, am, are with the correct ing words. Choose from the box. One has been done for you. Now again you have to see the picture. Choose the correct word from the boxes and complete the sentence. Remember children, you have to use is, am, are of your own. Where we will use is, where you will use am, and where you will use are. Now next is fun time. Complete it after seeing the PDF. Okay children, I think you all have understood what is MR, and with is MR where we will use ing. Now your homework is read the lesson carefully and do page number 63, 64 and 65 in book. Okay children, thank you.